In the world of LED display manufacturing, there's a name that's been resonating with a thunderous echo: Enbon. Rising from the crowd with an astonishing pace, Enbon has etched its name as the fastest-growing company in this competitive industry. Enbon's journey of growth is nothing short of a spectacle marked by relentless innovation, commitment to quality, and a vision that defies the ordinary. It's not just about numbers, but milestones that have been achieved, one after another. This journey began with a humble start. Today, it's a saga that inspires many. Enbon now stands tall as a top brand in the vibrant province of Guangdong, China. An honor that speaks volumes about the trust and recognition they've garnered. But what's the secret sauce behind this unprecedented growth? It's Enbon's unwavering commitment to its customers. A commitment that's evident in the superior quality of LED displays they produce. Displays that are not just products, but a testament to Enbon's pursuit of excellence. Enbon's growth story doesn't end here. It's a story that's being written every day, with every LED display that leaves their state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities. A story that's being etched in the annals of the LED display manufacturing industry. Enbon's growth trajectory is a testament to their dedication, their innovation, and their ability to deliver top-notch products. It's not just about being a top brand in Guangdong, China. It's about being a brand that's recognized for excellence globally. So, if you're on the lookout for LED displays that do more than just displaying content, consider Enbon. With Enbon, you're choosing a brand that's committed to delivering the best every single time. A brand that doesn't just manufacture LED displays, but crafts experiences. A brand that's growing, innovating, and setting new standards in the LED display manufacturing industry. Enbon is more than just a name. It's a promise of quality, reliability, and innovation. It's a testament to how far a relentless pursuit of excellence can take you. So, next time you're thinking about LED displays, think Enbon. Experience the difference that a commitment to excellence can make. Remember, with Enbon, you're not just choosing an LED display, you're choosing a partner that's committed to your success. A partner that's setting new benchmarks in the LED display manufacturing industry. A partner that's Enbon. So, go ahead. Discover Enbon. Discover a world of superior LED displays. Discover a brand that's shaping the future of the LED display manufacturing industry. With Enbon, experience the best that the world of LED displays has to offer.